Seen like two people guested in the comment section saying I hope that it might be that baby's coming to Jamaica or me going to Australia. And guess what?
Well, a vibe in yeah. It's island. Boy.
Wagwan, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the Island Family channel. Yes, today you're here with Island Boy Africa. So guys, I know a lot of you might see from the title and the thumbnail, and you have probably guessed it right already. So before we jump into the video, guys, I just want to say I saw two comments from our previous video saying that I hope that Maria is either coming to Jamaica or me going to Australia, and you guys have guessed it, one of them right, and it is. I am going to Australia.
And now they always say congratulations.
So before we jump into that, I just want to say, first guys, I've got turned down twice on my visitor visa. I got turned down twice, and the reason for that is the first time they turned me down was because they say that they have reason to believe that I wouldn't return to my country. You know, the second time I don't remember exactly why they turned me down, but the first time, as I said, they believed that I wouldn't return to my country. I guess they needed more evidence or proof, you know, which was really sad, and it made us kind of like thinking like, what's going on? You know, I'm not no criminal or anything. Why they make it so hard and difficult? We provide all the paperwork that's needed, and yet still I got turned down twice on the visitor visa. And I mean, this year now, I got the visitor visa was granted the 12th of May this year, 2021, and after that I applied for a transit visa through the UK, right? And then after I got turned down on the transit visa through the UK, and then 1 month later, which, well, basically 1 month later, because the 18th of June I got granted my partner visa. So guys, this happened so quick. When the partner visa was completed, not long after, within the space of 3 months I got granted, which baby's saying that's really fast, because there's people out there that's waiting for months to get granted their partner visa, you understand? So we're extremely lucky, and right now thankful and very excited, and we're feeling really blessed right now. I got granted the partner visa, which was even much better, because you know the visitor visa, I could only stay 6 months and study up to 3 months in Australia, you understand? So when I got granted the partner visa, it was like the best news ever, because knowing that I don't have to come back within, you know, a short period of time, I could stay there, work, and, you know, just be with my family permanently. You see me? So guys, I was super excited. I'm still excited. So right now the struggle now is to get a transit visa, a straight flight, a connected flight, as what Babe said, you know, to come to our country. And it's been really a struggle because of the whole pandemic and trying to find a connected flight, and you have to leave out of that country within a certain amount of time and stuff like that, which Be able to explain to you in a little bit from now in this same video. Be able to explain to you what exactly is going on. But guys, this is the best news ever, and I know a lot of you have been waiting on this news, and a lot of you have got the hints from previous videos.
So guys, got some really exciting news that I would like to sit down and share with you all. Eventually have a little sit down chat. I think Babe will be too when he gets here, or when he comes. And hopefully soon Babe will be here with us so we can experience and enjoy all of this together as one family.
Yeah guys, I'm very excited, super excited, and I know you guys, a lot of you guys have been sending prayers out for us and thing, you know, good energy, good vibes, and really appreciate that. And things can only get better from now on, guys. So yeah man, we're super excited guys, super excited, and we've been trying to keep this for a secret for a while now, you understand? And it's been the hardest thing to keep a secret. Like, to me, excited news is the hardest news to keep a secret, and we've been struggling. We wanted to tell you guys for so long, but finally it has happened, and yeah guys, we're finally letting it out the bag, you see me? So yeah guys, Now we're gonna go over to Babe and hear what Babe has to say, because she will give you more details of what's going on and you know how everything happened and things like that. This is legit, this is guaranteed. I will be there.